Sup guys, today we'll do unboxing the new release mid-range phone of Huawei, and here comes P20 Lite. We choose the color Klein Blue, and as you can see, it's packed 64GB internal storage and with 4GB of RAM. So let's try to check what's inside of it. And here we go. Wow, I like this enticing back cover, very shiny. And here is the front view. It looks a bit more like iPhone 10 for me. The screen design and its size, wow, awesome. Now looking at the left side is the SIM and SD card slot. And at the bottom, you'll see loudspeaker, microphone, USB port, and an earphone jack. On the right side is the volume control and the power button. And now here comes the back view. Surprisingly, this phone is equipped with two rear cameras with LED flash, wow. And as you notice, there is also a fingerprint scanner, I think. So, very elegant design. So now let's see what's inside of the box. Here you can see the warranty card, the manual, and pin ejector. And wow, the charger looks bigger than the usual size. And it says here, Huawei Quick Charge, wow. Now here is the connector and the earphones. So now let's try to open the phone and check its screen display resolution if it is nice. Wow, the screen display resolution is very vibrant and clear. Too good enough for a mid-range phone. So that's our first glance of Huawei P20 Lite. You can see more about this phone's features, specifications, and camera performance to our upcoming quick review soon. Thank you for watching. This is Lizelle of Lee's Tech. Bye!